Hello guys, good morning. So welcome to the class 11 commerce section of accounts group. So we are doing the chapter 1.1 introduction to accounting. In this video I will explain you the objectives of accounting. So objective of accounting means why the accounting books are prepared. What is the use of the accounting books? Accounting books क्यों बनाई जाती है? So here are the objectives. I have written some objectives. 5 points are written. So in this video, I will explain you the objectives of accounting. So let's start. First point is to know the profit and loss. First of all, the book of accounting is prepared to know whether the business is going in profit or going in loss. So the main object of accounting is to know the profit and loss at the end of the financial year. जब फाइनेंशियल ईयर का एंड होता है, जब लास्ट साल का जो आखिरी होता है 31st मार्च में, in that date whether the business is going in loss or in the profit can be known. उस समय पता किया जाता है. And the owner of the business can know, जो बिजनेस का ओनर है, he can know whether the business is going in profit or going in loss, and the reason for the profit and the reason for the loss can also be known. क्या रीजन है प्रॉफिट के या लॉस के, क्या रीजन है वो भी पता कर सकते हैं. ओके. Second point is to know the financial position of the business. So accounting book provides the information about the financial position of the business. Means the data which are recorded in the accounting book, they provide the information of the total assets and total liabilities of the business. अपने business में कितने total assets हैं और कितने total liabilities हैं, it can be known by the book of accounting. ये accounting book से हमें पता चल सकता है. ओके. और द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ एसेट्स एंड लाइबिलिटीज, टोटल कितने एसेट्स हैं और टोटल कितने लाइबिलिटीज हैं, ये कैसे पता चलेगा? बाय प्रिपेयरिंग द बैलेंस शीट. बैलेंस शीट बना के हमें ये पता चलेगा. सो द इन्वेस्टर, द बैंकर्स एंड द इंस्टीट्यूशन दैट सप्लाइज लोन और प्रोवाइड लोन टू द बिजनेस, so they will provide the loan only by examining the book of accounting. So the investor, the banks and the creditors, all and the interested parties, those who provide the loan to the business, so before providing the loan they want to examine the financial position of the business. जब लोन देने से पहले वो बिजनेस का फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन है जो एग्जामिन करेंगे. If the business is financially good, then they will provide the loan, otherwise not. So by preparing the book of accounting, from the book of accounting we can know the financial position of the business. Business is financially weak or financially strong can be known by preparing the book of accounting. जो accounting book बनाई है उससे हमें business की financial position पता होगी. Financial position means total assets, how many total assets are there and how many liabilities, and the balance sheet is prepared at the end of the financial position of the business can be known by the balance sheet. So the balance sheet provides the information about the financial position of the business. Next is proper recording of transactions. So in the book of accounting, the accounting book also is needed to record the transaction in a chronological order, to record the transaction of a specific period. जो पूरे साल के ट्रांजेक्शन्स हैं उसको रिकॉर्ड करना इन एन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर, इन एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे एंड इन एन सिस्टमैटिक वे बाय फॉलोइंग द सर्टेन रूल्स एंड प्रिंसिपल. सो बुक ऑफ अकाउंटिंग क्यों बनाई जाती है? ताकि सारे ट्रांजेक्शन्स हैं उनको प्रॉपरली रिकॉर्ड कर सकें और उसको क्रोनोलॉजिकल वे में और सिस्टमैटिक वे में सारे ट्रांजेक्शन्स को रिकॉर्ड कर सके बाय फॉलोइंग सर्टेन रूल्स एंड प्रिंसिपल्स. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज मीटिंग स्टैट्यूटरी रिक्वायरमेंट्स. Means those partnership which are registered and those companies which are registered, means registered company and registered partnership. In that companies the maintenance of account is compulsory as per the law. जो accounting book हमें क्यों बनाना है? जो registered companies होती हैं उनको accounting book बनाना compulsory होता है, उनको बनाना ही पड़ेगा. accounting records उनको maintain करना ही पड़ेंगे. And organization are also required to compulsorily maintain the accounting for the purpose of taxation. जितने भी organizations होते हैं, जितने भी business होते हैं, उनको compulsory accounting books बनाना पड़ता है for the purpose of taxation. So it is compulsory by the law. According to the law, they have to maintain the book of account. It is compulsory. ये compulsory उनको accounting book बनाना पड़ेगी. Next, last point is to provide the financial data. So the another object of accounting is to provide the financial data. अभी financial data means होता है information और financial means होता है जो पैसे से related होते हैं. So the object of accounting is to provide the financial data to the manager, government, investor. अभी जो financial data means information, financial means which are related to the finance, money. अब ये data किसको provide करना है? Those who are interested in the business, जो business से related होते हैं, for example government, investors, bank and the financial institution. Why they need this information? To take the decision relating to the business, ताकि वो business के जो future के decision है उसको ले सके. So they need the financial data. That is why the book of accounting is prepared. So again listen. First point is to know the profit and loss. Whether the business is going in profit or in loss can be known by preparing the book of accounting. Accounting book बना के पता चलेगा. Next is to know the financial position of the business. Whether the business is financially weak or financially strong can be known by the accounting book. Financially weak है या financially strong है ये भी accounting book से पता होगा. मतलब टोटल एसेट्स कितने हैं, टोटल लायबिलिटीज कितने हैं, इट कैन बी नोन बाय द अकाउंटिंग बुक्स. सो अनदर ऑब्जेक्ट इज द अकाउंटिंग बुक इज प्रिपेयर्ड टू रिकॉर्ड ऑल द ट्रांजेक्शन इन अ सिस्टमैटिक मैनर इन एन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर अकॉर्डिंग टू बाय फॉलोइंग सर्टेन रूल्स एंड प्रिंसिपल. द ट्रांजेक्शन शुड बी रिकॉर्डेड. जितने ट्रांजेक्शन है उनको रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए अकाउंटिंग बुक बनाई जाती है. Next, statutory requirements means according to the law, it is compulsory for the registered partnership and registered company that they have to maintain the book of accounting. Last is to provide the financial data. These financial data, accounting books are maintained to provide the financial data to the bankers, to the investors, to the managers and to the various parties, those who are related to the business, so that they can take the future decision relating to the business. So here we complete the objectives of the accounting. Hope you understood this concept. So in the next video we will meet with the new topic. So till then take care. Bye bye.